So how fast have you done this one?
Best is 143. The official world record I have though is 154.
So how many world records do you hold?
2 right now for single and average for this one.
See, I'm amazed he can talk and do it at the same time.
Well, it's amazing. He's using his head, but he's also the physical technique of being able to flip that as quickly as he needs to.
That's right. Please note this is an unedited video.
What are you majoring in?
Probably math and computer science.
So you first picked one up 3 years ago, and what got you interested in it?
Well, I saw some guy on a skiing trip I went on that averaged like 18 seconds, and so he taught me like basic speed keeping methods, and then I just sort of got hooked from there.
And so now, today, what do you do other than eat and Rubik's Cube?
I swim, actually, and that's mostly it.
So what are your record times? This is the 6x6.
Yeah. My best is 143.
Okay, and 0.4. And then you did and then is there a 5x5?
Yeah. And I can do the 5x5, which is this one in 50 seconds at best. And then I have this one I can do in, my best is 5.9.
5.9 seconds.
Yeah. Actually, there's already a video of that one on YouTube.
And I thought I was doing really well at just over 30 seconds on that one 20 years ago.
That's amazing.
So now this is the 5x5.
Yeah.
How much time a day do you do this?
Well, it depends. Like the weekend before, the couple of weeks going before Nationals and Worlds, I'll spend like 2 or 3 hours a day. But other times, like, I sometimes don't at all. Or usually, it probably average like an hour a day.
Is that relaxing to you to do that?
Sort of.
It doesn't look relaxing to me.
That stresses me out.
So do you have any competition here at Liberty?
Oh, Liberty? Not really.
Do you have any competition anywhere?
Yeah. Well, for this one, I'm a bit out in front. But there's this guy in Australia who's really fast at everything, who's usually competes with me for the world record on this one. And then he's ahead of me right now on this one, which I'm trying to catch him. So,
And you've met him?
Yeah, I was at Worlds. We met in Thailand, and I was at Worlds in October.
Do you get scholarships for Washington University for this?
Not for this.
Darn.
So do you fundraise, or how do you get the funds to be able to travel to these places and do this?
I just pay money. I just have a job, so I just use my own money usually. And my parents help out.
Do they pay?
I win money.
Do they pay? You win money at the
Sometimes.
competitions?
Yeah, it depends on which ones I'm at. Like Worlds had a lot of prize money, but I didn't win any because it was awful. It's annoying.
Because you did awful, you say?
Yeah, I did bad at Worlds because I should have gotten. If I had done as well as I could have, I should have won like $800. But
So does Rubik's sponsor you or give you free cubes or anything?
no, 7 Pounds, which makes most of the cubes, sponsors the Worlds, which is every 2 years, but they don't really sponsor individual people.
So they don't even give you cubes?
No, I buy all my stuff. I've gotten a couple of free cubes though.
Have you done the round ones?
Yeah, I've seen those and stuff. I don't really like practice
Are there more? Are there bigger ones?
Yeah, there's the one right there.
I mean, is that the largest?
That's the biggest one they have competitions for.
Impressive.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
All right.
Thank you very much.
No
Thank
problem.
you.